Welcome back to a new tutorial on fossil fuels. In this video, we will learn what fossil fuels do to our environment, why do we use them, and we will discuss their problems and solutions. Fossil fuels include coal, oil, and natural gas. They were formed from the remains of living organisms millions of years ago, and they release heat energy when they burn. They are non-renewable, meaning once these resources are used up, they cannot be replaced quickly. About 3/4 of the electricity generated in the UK comes from fossil fuels stations. This diagram shows how electricity is generated from burning fossil fuels such as coal. So why do we use fossil fuels? Today, fossil fuels are relatively cheap and easy to obtain. In addition, most of our infrastructure is designed using fossil fuels. Do you have any ideas concerning fossil fuels problems? Well, the first problem is that fossil fuels are non-renewable energy resources, as we said. Their supply is limited, and they will eventually run out. So how can we solve this problem? Yes, we need an alternative source of energy, like renewable energy, such as wind, solar, and wave energies, which we have already learned before. The second problem is that coal and oil release sulfur dioxide gas when they burn, causing breathing problems, as well as acid rain, which has several impacts on human health in general. So we can remove the sulfur from the fuel before burning it to stop acid rain. The third problem is that burning fossil fuels release carbon dioxide, causing greenhouse effect and high levels of global warming. Recall that global warming is the rise of the average temperature of the Earth's surface. For a given amount of energy released, coal produces the most carbon dioxide, and natural gases produce the least carbon dioxide. Carbon capture and storage (CCS) technology is a way to prevent carbon dioxide building up in the atmosphere. It's a rapidly evolving technology which involves separating CO2 from waste gases. The CO2 is then stored underground, for example, in old oil or gas fields, such as those found under the North Sea.